Question. Dash enables Indian investors to make investment in foreign companies. Option ADR, GDR, IDR. Option. Answer option C, IDR. അടുത്തത് the rate at which the RBI provides refinance to commercial banks is repo, reverse repo, CRR, SLR. Answer option A, repo. അടുത്ത question. Section 80D of Indian Income Tax Act deals with option A, medical treatment of spouse, option B, investment in government bonds, option C, interest on housing loan, option D, medical insurance premium. Answer option D, medical insurance premium. അടുത്ത question. Transfer of shares to legal heirs on death of shareholder is called. Transfer of shares to legal heirs on death of shareholder is called nomination, assignment, transmission, endorsement. Answer option C, transmission. Next question. Liquidation is not required in merger, internal reconstruction, acquisition, amalgamation. Answer option B, internal reconstruction. Dash replaces Central Planning Commission, GST, IFRS, MAT, Niti Aayog. Answer option D, Niti Aayog. അടുത്ത question. The Malayalam novel Ohari is authored by K.L. Mohanvarma, M.T. Vasudevan Nair, M. Mukundan, C. Radhakrishnan. Answer option A, K.L. Mohanvarma. At the question. On winding up, the statement of affairs is prepared by registrar, liquidator, company, court. Answer option C, company. Writing of intangible asset is called. Writing of intangible asset is called amortization, depreciation, revaluation, elimination. Answer option A, amortization. At the question. Under dash method of store issues, the issue price reflect the current market price. Under dash method of store issue, the issue price reflect the current market price. Options FIFO, LIFO, HIFO, average. Answer option B, LIFO.